Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel ChemWis. In this video we are going to discuss Barbier-Wieland degradation. It is a process by which a carboxylic acid having unsubstituted alpha carbon is converted to a 1 carbon shorter carboxylic acid. The process involves conversion of carboxylic acid to ester like ethyl ester by the reaction between ethanol and H2SO4, reaction of ester with excess of phenyl magnesium bromide followed by acidic workup to produce tertiary alcohol, heating up tertiary alcohol under acidic condition to produce alkene, and then the oxidative degradation of alkene with chromium trioxide and H2SO4 to produce 1 carbon shorter carboxylic acid. That's all in this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon if you like this video. Thank you very much for watching this video.